In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in Yahoo Mail. Keeping your inbox organized makes it easier to find what you need, and folders are a simple way to group related emails together. I'll walk you through creating a folder on the Yahoo Mail website and in the mobile app, then show you how to move messages into it. First, sign into Yahoo Mail on the web, or open the Yahoo Mail app on your phone. If you're on the website, look to the left side of the screen where your folder list appears. This is where you'll see standard folders like Inbox and Sent, along with any custom folders you've already made. Scroll down that list until you find the option labeled New Folder. It's often at the very bottom. Click New Folder, and a small field will open for you to type the name. Pick a clear, specific name so you'll recognize it later, then press Enter on your keyboard or click the Save or Add button. Your folder should appear in the list right away, ready to use. If you're using the Yahoo Mail app on iPhone or Android, the steps are just as simple. Open the app, then tap the inbox or the menu icon to reveal the folder list. Scroll until you see Create New Folder. Tap it, type the name you want, and save. The new folder will show up with your other folders and will be available the next time you open the menu. Now let's move emails into your new folder. On the web, select the messages you want to organize. You can click the small checkbox next to each email to select one or many at once. After selecting them, look for the Move option, usually at the top of the message list. Click Move, then choose the folder you just created. The emails will be relocated instantly, keeping your inbox cleaner. In the mobile app, the idea is the same. Press and hold on a message to select it, tap any additional emails if you want to move multiple, then tap Move. From the list that appears, choose your new folder and the messages will be filed there. You can repeat this anytime to keep things manageable. That's it. Create the folder, name it thoughtfully, and use the Move option whenever you want to file messages away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.